Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to add extension on Mihon app. So the first thing you have to do is to open your app, click on the more option here. So from here, all you have to do is to click on the settings option, click on your browser option here. So you just click on this extension repos. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your browser. So right here on my browser, what I have to type is Watoki extension. Click on the first website that I have here. Scroll gently to the very, you're going to see what they say maga option. You just click on Kawushi is the best extension so far. You just click on it to install it on your device. Click on add. I was able to add it. The next thing is for you can still go back to add another extension if you want to. So to do that, you just go back to your browser. So right here you select Kavita, which is another good extension. Click on the add option here and add it to your device. Having done that, you just have to go back. You can now click on the browse option here. So from here, click on the extension option here. You can search for Sherlock Mason and click on the install option here. So you just install it on your device. So you can add it as one of your extension. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go back to your home page here and start making use of it. So guys, that is it on how to add extension on Mihon app. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.